Today I'm going to show you how to change countries on Roblox. So firstly, just simply open the application. And now what you have to do is just simply click on the three dots at the bottom right corner. Now just simply scroll down, click on settings. Now click on account info. So as you can see right over here, you can see most of your information details. Now if you scroll down, what exactly you can do over here is, firstly, just try to change your language into the country where you want to change. For example, you are in US and you want to change the location to France. You can try to change your language to French. So firstly, just simply do that, and then just simply go back by clicking the arrow on top left. There, again go back to three dots, scroll down, click on settings. Now over here, click on security. Now over here, you'll find all the sessions you are a part of. So what you will do is just simply click on log out of all other sessions. So that way, whenever you will try to change your location, or you will try any other ways to change your location, but if your past location is similar to your original location, the Roblox AI will catch you. So firstly, what you will do is just simply log out of all the sessions. When you're done with that process, just simply close the application. Then just like I said, if you want to change your location to France, you firstly change your language, and then for the location, what you will do is go to your phone settings. Now the process might vary in different phones, so just simply look into your phone of how to change your region or country. So you have to search that. As you can see, in my phone it is called region, but in most of the phones the option will be known as country. So choose that option, and over here just simply search France and choose France over here first. And then after you have deleted your session, now first you have to change your location. Second, you have to delete all of your previous sessions, and third, you have to change your location physically on your phone. Now lastly, the final step, if you want to do this, try using any VPN. So you can change your location kinda using this process, but if you want to make it permanent and believable, try using a VPN. So for the phone, you can just simply try using Turbo VPN or Rabbit VPN. There are many options you can go for. So what I use is Turbo VPN. So you can get this on Play Store or App Store. It's totally free. So click on the globe icon at the top right, and right over here you'll find other locations. So if your location is one of them, just simply change it and then you will be good to go. That's it. And thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.